Changing your payout method on Whereby is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Whereby website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use Shrug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Payout Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Here, you will see your existing payout method. Select the option to edit or add a new payout method. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment details, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Whereby. Make sure to check your payment settings periodically to keep your information up to date.